So what do we have here? An updated list of the most streamed 2025 Nigerian songs on Spotify so far, with is leading the pack with 81 million streams. Babies Hit the Crime 77.3 million streams. Laho 73.2 million streams. My Darling 57.8. Arike 56.1. Ta 47.8. Pity This Boy. Oh, this pity this boy though. Pity this boy 46.1. Laho 2 42.6 million streams so far. Give Me That 39.5 million streams, and Lost 35.7 million streams. So what do you guys think? Like I said, this is an updated list. And these are your most streamed 2025 Nigerian songs on Spotify so far. The year is not over yet, so you're still going to be updating the list. You should leave your opinions down below. Bless.